Okay, this is my Gould Oscilloscope, 2-channel, as you can see, X and Y. It is missing 2 small caps, of the main switch and the focus, but both work correctly. Let me switch channel 2 off for a second and plug in a signal generator. There we go. And we can change it between rising edge or falling edge. Can be adjusted. It's not flickering in person the way it is there, but it is an old scope, but works fairly well. And confirm that waveform on my Rigel, if it'll ever focus. There we go. Okay, so that works. No, come on, focus. There we go. Let me just turn off channel 1 and put channel 2 on. And there we go. So we can have channel 1 and channel 2 shown at the same time. Again, leading or falling edge, and trigger, adjust. I'll stick up another waveform just to let you see it. It is quite a large unit. Just come out a bit, but it serves its purpose very well. It will be coming with a new probe lead. Okay, 1 and 10x probe lead. We now have put another waveform, square waveform. It's currently in channel 2, and like so many of these scopes, you can see the 9 is extremely faint, but it gives you the upper and lower limit, and again, positive rise or fall depending on what you want, and the adjustable trigger. If I turn that off, switch it over to channel 1, there we go, channel 1, and you can confirm that with the Rigel. There we go, that's the waveform. There we go. Just out of interest, we have 2 different waveforms being supplied and being displayed. The unit hasn't been tested or calibrated in a long time, but it's extremely good for finding signals and finding out what's going on inside a circuit. So if you're interested, go ahead and bid. Thank you.